nagkakalabo-labo sa number 8 spot. The race for the 8 spot. Unlike makita na you're suddenly nandun sa discussion.
Well, we're happy, but we can't be satisfied kasi we had chances to have a better record, so I blame myself for that. So, like what I always say, the most important game is the next game. So we have to, as soon as we get out of the dugout, we need to rest our bodies and then prepare for the next game. And that is Magnolia. So again, all the credit goes to all these players because they're the ones who really puts in the effort and the work, and they should be the one being praised by the wins of this franchise.
Coach just mentioned beaten teams na maganda yung record like na Northport and North Carolina. Magnolia alam natin si contender, always a contender, but they're struggling and they play tomorrow. You think you could get a win against Magnolia? There's confidence yung mas tataas.
Confidence is getting better, of course. Diba? Every time you get 2 wins in a row, it will always you will always have that confidence getting into the next game. So we haven't really planned because we haven't really planned as a team, as coaches, for what we're going to do next on against Magnolia. So we'll watch tape and we'll watch the game. Their game tomorrow against San Miguel, and then we'll prepare for them on Wednesday.